Hello class, let's solve the function which says f of x and g of x inverse of each other. Giving f of x is equals to root of 3x plus 1, g of x is 1 over 3 x squared minus 1. Then we are going to show whether f of x and g of x are inverse of each other. Therefore, we can take the f of g of x is equals to x, or g of f of x is equals to x. Let's substitute and see whether 1 over 3 x squared minus 1. Then we are going to substitute this one, that is f of g of x. The g of x here is the g of x here. We are going to substitute the value of x here. Therefore, we are going to say, I'm going to take the root of the 3 here will be outside. We have multiply by 1 over 3 into x squared minus 1. Here we have plus 1. Then we says this 3 cancel out this 3. We have the square root of x squared minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. The square of x squared, this x squared, the square will cancel the square root. This is equals to x. Let's substitute for the g of x. Since g of x is cos f of x, we can substitute the g of x now by saying the g of f of x, that is the square root of 3x plus 1. We're going to substitute here with x squared. Therefore, we have 1 over 3 into, we have 1 over 3 into the square root of 3x plus 1. We have in brackets, this x is having square, have minus 1 outside. I'll say this square cancel out the square root. Here we have 1 over 3 into 3x plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, we have 1 over 3 into 3x. Therefore, this 3 cancel this 3. This is equals to x. We can conclude it by saying, therefore, g of x, f of x, and g of x are inverse of each other. Since both of them is equals x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye.